Greetings and welcome to Techlands. Today we will be reviewing a set of i12 TWS Earbuds, also known as the Apple AirPods clones. They come inside a charging case that stores approximately up to 4 charges, while the earbuds themselves should last approximately in between 2 to 3 hours by the manual. The design is one of the comfiest out there and was directly inherited from the Apple AirPods. The i12s are operated via touch controls by gently tapping on the outer plastics of the earbuds. The charging case features a on and off charging button and comes with a Apple Lightning connector port. In the box you will receive a USB to Lightning port cable, but you will have to provide your own USB charger. The design is Apple inspired, but unfortunately the build quality is not. The batteries don't last that long, connectivity is poor in windy conditions, and the build is quite fragile. Sadly, if you are clumsy, the earbuds won't survive more than 2 to 3 falls from your pocket to the ground. After the falls on both my older TWS 11s and newer TWS 12s, I started experiencing some charging issues having to do with the magnetic snap-fit mechanism. It would not correctly secure down the earbud onto the charging connector, remaining very loose. In one accidental occasion, I found that the earbuds can come apart quite easily. Fortunately, they can be rapidly put back together by simply realigning the parts and applying some pressure. So, are the i12 AirPods clones the right earbuds for you? Maybe if you are on a $20 budget, but by spending a little extra, you can purchase a much more capable device that will survive many accidental falls.